So good day, girls. This is the recorded activity for your activity number 4. So first, open the file in your drive. Okay. After opening the file, of course, you have to start selecting the object at the center using the lasso tool or the polygonal lasso tool. Now, okay, in order for you to select the object at the center, you have to zoom it in first. Okay, so you press Control equals. Okay, to select the image. Okay, there. So after selecting, you go to the lasso tool by just clicking the right tick, and then you select the polygonal lasso tool. In selecting the polygonal lasso tool, make sure that you press left click of your mouse or the left button of your mouse. Okay, so the function of this is click and drag only. So click, then drag. Okay, after clicking, release your left button. Okay, there. Click, drag, but after clicking, please release your mouse button. So click and then drag. Okay, click, drag. Do not click your mouse when you are dragging. Okay, so you have to be careful so that you can easily select the object using your mouse. Okay, so after selecting the object, all you have to do is go to Move tool. Okay, and then don't forget to separate the object from the original image by clicking Ctrl J as in Jack and G. Okay, so as you look at our layer palette, I have now a separated file for the selection I've made. Okay, so the selection is the flower itself. So this is how, if I'm going to hide the background, so I have separated the selection using Ctrl J. Now I can now move using Move tool. I can now move it here and resize the object. Okay, there. So after resizing the object, click Move tool again, and then don't forget to apply your changes. Otherwise, you cannot click anything on the Photoshop. Okay, and then next, since I want you to duplicate and create many flowers here, at least 5 flowers or more, okay, click Move tool again, and then put it on the object. Okay, the layer 1, and then click Alt key from the keyboard. Okay, and then automatic, you can see that my mouse pointer has been changed into double arrow, the white and the black one. You may start dragging it, okay, to duplicate your images. Okay, so that's how, and then you may resize. Since I've made changes, I have to go to Move tool again and then click Apply. Okay, Alt and then drag, and then drag, Alt drag. So don't forget to press the Alt key in your copying of the object. Okay, so that's how. So if you're done with your work, you may now save it. Go to File, Save As, and then you're going to use PSD format or Photoshop. So you just change the name into activity number 4 underscore your surname. Okay, so that's all, and then just save your work and click OK. So that's the finished product.